Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into a super exciting topic, high-demand jobs in Holland in 2025. If you've ever thought about moving abroad for work, switching careers, or simply want to know where the opportunities lie in Europe, you're in the right place. The Netherlands, often called Holland, is famous worldwide for its picturesque canals, vibrant culture, and yes, amazing career opportunities. So what jobs are booming right now? Which industries are driving growth? And how can you position yourself to land your dream job here? Let's jump in. Segment 1. Why work in Holland? Before we jump into job listings, let's talk about why Holland is such a magnet for professionals worldwide. Cut to visuals of happy workers, coffee breaks, bike commuting. First, Holland has one of the strongest and most stable economies in Europe. With a GDP per capita among the highest in the EU, it's a country that balances business and quality of life like no other. The work culture here is famously balanced. Dutch people value punctuality, professionalism, but also know how to keep personal life sacred. Imagine finishing work on time, enjoying a relaxed dinner with family, or cycling home through scenic routes. On top of that, Holland is incredibly international. English is widely spoken, and many companies operate in English. So even if you don't speak Dutch fluently yet, there's plenty of room for you. Plus, the country offers great social benefits, a safe environment, and a fantastic gateway to explore the rest of Europe. Segment 2. Growing industries driving Holland's economy. Now let's look at the sectors fueling this economic success. Industries where jobs are booming and the future looks bright. Technology and IT. The Dutch tech scene is exploding. Amsterdam and Eindhoven, known as the Brainport region, are innovation hotspots. From startups building AI-driven apps to global companies improving cybersecurity, software developers, data scientists, and IT specialists are in huge demand. Healthcare and social services. With an aging population and increasing healthcare needs, nurses, doctors, and allied health professionals are urgently needed across hospitals, elder care, and community health. Engineering and infrastructure. Holland is famous for its water management and innovative infrastructure projects. Civil engineers, environmental engineers, and mechanical engineers play crucial roles in maintaining and developing the country's world-class infrastructure. Logistics and supply chain management. Thanks to the Port of Rotterdam, Europe's largest port, and Schiphol Airport, the Netherlands is a central logistics hub. Professionals managing supply chains, transport, and warehousing are vital to keep goods moving across Europe. Finance and banking. Amsterdam is a financial powerhouse, hosting international banks, fintech startups, and investment firms. Financial advisors, analysts, and compliance officers are in high demand. Renewable energy and sustainability. As the world moves toward greener energy, the Netherlands invests heavily in wind farms, solar energy, and sustainability projects, creating new jobs for technicians, engineers, and project managers. Segment 3, the top 10 high-demand jobs in Holland for 2025. Let's break down the top 10 jobs you should keep your eye on if you want to work in Holland. 1. Software developer, engineer. With digitization accelerating, software developers who master languages like Java, Python, and JavaScript are highly sought after. Whether it's developing apps, building cloud platforms, or securing networks, companies need your skills. Salaries range from $45,000 to $75,000 a year, depending on experience. 2. Registered nurse. Healthcare needs have skyrocketed, and the demand for qualified nurses is immense. If you have nursing qualifications and can learn Dutch, many healthcare roles require some proficiency. You can find rewarding jobs with salaries between $30,000 and $50,000. 3. Civil engineer. Holland's famous dikes, bridges, and sustainable urban developments mean civil engineers are essential. From planning to project management, expect to earn between $40,000 and $65,000 annually. 4. Logistics manager. Managing supply chains for goods entering and leaving Europe requires skilled managers. The Port of Rotterdam alone handles millions of tons of cargo yearly. Logistics managers typically earn $50,000 to $75,000. 5. Data analyst, data scientist. Every business wants to leverage data to make smarter decisions. Analysts who can clean, visualize, and interpret data using tools like SQL, Tableau, and Python are invaluable. Salaries range from $40,000 to $70,000. 6. Financial advisor, analyst. With a strong financial sector, advisors who can guide individuals and companies on investments, taxes, and savings are in demand. Financial roles pay around $45,000 to $70,000. 7. Renewable energy technician, engineer. Green energy is booming. Technicians maintaining wind turbines or engineers designing solar installations are critical in Holland's energy transition, earning about $35,000 to $60,000. 8. UX/UI designer. User experience is king in digital products. Designers who can create intuitive, beautiful interfaces are sought after by tech companies and startups, earning between $40,000 and $65,000. 9. Marketing specialist, digital marketer. With businesses competing online, marketers who understand SEO, social media, and data analytics are valuable. Salaries range from $35,000 to $55,000. 10. Teacher educator, especially international schools. There's growing demand for English-speaking teachers, especially in international schools, with salaries from $30,000 to $50,000, depending on experience. Segment 4. Real stories and examples. Let me share a quick story. I recently spoke with Sophie, a French software developer who moved to Amsterdam 2 years ago. She told me how quickly she found a job at a fintech startup, thanks to her coding skills and willingness to learn Dutch. The supportive expat community and company culture made her transition smooth. Or take Lars, a Dutch nurse working in Rotterdam's largest hospital. He shared how the healthcare system is constantly looking for skilled nurses and the emphasis on continuing education and career growth. Segment 5. Benefits of working in Holland. Beyond the job market, working in Holland offers so many perks. Work-life balance. Dutch companies respect your time. Overtime isn't the norm, and family life is prioritized. Competitive salaries and social security. You get fair pay plus healthcare, unemployment benefits, and pension plans. International environment. English is widely spoken, making it easier for expats to settle in. Public transport and cycling. Efficient transit systems and bike-friendly cities make commuting easy and green. Access to Europe. Holland's central location lets you travel across the continent with ease. Segment 6. How to prepare for working in Holland. Want to increase your chances of landing a job here? Here are some essential tips. Learn Dutch. While many companies operate in English, Dutch language skills open more doors, especially in healthcare and government. Tailor your CV. Dutch CVs are concise and focused on achievements. Make sure yours fits local standards. Networking. Use LinkedIn and join expat groups or local meetups to connect with professionals. Get relevant certifications, whether it's a tech certificate, nursing license, or project management credential. They boost your profile. Use trusted job portals. Check websites like Indeed.nl, Glassdoor.nl, and government portals. Understand visa requirements. Non-EU citizens should research the Dutch highly. Skilled migrant visa or EU blue card. So that's a deep dive into the high-demand jobs in Holland for 2025. If you're looking to grow your career, Holland offers an amazing blend of opportunity, quality of life, and work culture. Have you ever considered moving here? Or maybe you already live and work in Holland? Share your experiences or questions down in the comments. I'd love to hear your story. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe for more career insights, and ring the bell so you don't miss future videos. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.